Sweet, sweet. Alright, today we have for y'all hopefully a little hog killing action. I'm here today with me and my father.
Howdy.
There he is. putting his pants on. But we got lucky to get invited by Scooter, Dad's buddy, to come out here and try to kill some hogs. So that is the plan, and we will see what happens, but we will bring y'all along. We've been seeing hogs come all through here, so we honestly don't know when one could just jump out in front of us. So we're working our way to the stand right now, but there very well likely could be a hog that comes out of nowhere and has to get dropped. So these hogs have been all in here. It's insane.
always room for more. We're greedy here.
Yes, we are. Yeah, it's definitely him because I see him. I see his snout laid down, and earlier I saw his full head.
So it's now in the dirt.
Yeah, he's down.
And I apologize, everybody. I'm not the best cameraman. I get focused on actually watching them.
It's his first time, so it ain't no thing. You're doing an awesome job. You did a good job last time too.
Thanks.
I don't know if I'm cold or if I'm excited, but I'm shaking right now.
You're excited because it ain't cold. There's a big one back in there too. So.
First hawk down of the night. You love to see it, absolutely. He came at me again. Hopefully I got on video. And then he booked it, went all the way across this way, went to the other side of the green pasture there, and then I got up real close to him and I put one like behind his shoulder, through his neck maybe. So I was trying to go for his dome, but he was all over the place.
That's hard about pistol anyway.
Yeah, I know. But he's down, he's gone. So he gave up. So I kept my distance, and then I just marked an X where he is, and I just dipped. I grabbed two sticks, and I put them in X in the grass so we can see it if it gets dark. But first hawk down.
I can hear him
There's my pig boys. Black dot in the woods. Let's get on them. That is awesome. Well, there he is. He's gone, folks. Now we just got to get him out of here.
You got a shot at it. And then they got on another one, a bigger one. He came out right in front of us. He stopped about 40 yards, sitting there facing me. I just about to pull the trigger. He took back off. And then I couldn't.
Brogan, you bag one yourself, bud?
Randomly shot.
You bag one? No?
Yeah, I got him because then they caught one in the woods and I heard it squealing and I ran to the dogs. And 2 of them saw me and took off, and then the pig got away from the other 3 or 4. And then they caught him again. I caught back up with them and shot the pig, and the dogs took off. I was just shooting from behind just when I didn't have the dogs in my vision, and the pig was trying to get out of there, and I shot it again.
You shot it in the butt. Dogs don't know.
Well, then I never saw any collars, and when they saw me, they took off. So I'm like, that's not anybody's hunting dog. They wouldn't take off from a person. You wouldn't think.
I wouldn't think so. No. The hunting dogs would be used to that.
Right.